Hi friends. Today I want to talk about dreams. Not the ones that we see while we are deep asleep, but the ones that we see while we are wide awake. The ones we do not wish to see and forget. The ones that guide us and doesn't let us sleep. Our dreams about the future, our ambitions. Sometime back I asked some of my friends about their dreams and aspirations, and I was actually a bit surprised to hear the different responses. Some were like, I don't have any dreams, just get a job. Some were like, my dad wants me to go to Germany for higher studies. And some were like, some even started to laugh, saying all these chats are irrelevant and we'll just see the exam scores and decide the way forward. I don't think there can be anyone who does not have a dream, but it's somehow sad that as we grow older, what grows along with us is some kind of a limiting belief that holds us back from pursuing our dreams. We can be our own worst enemies in such instances, especially when we don't believe in ourselves. If you ask a child what he wants for Christmas, he would say, I want two football courts, one in the backyard and one in the front. While elders would easily laugh away with the child's dreams as being silly or unrealistic. But who says so? Who is to say any of your dreams are silly or unrealistic? Just because something is apart from the usual norms, it doesn't mean it's impossible. We can all use a bit of childlike amusement in ourselves, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Friends, dare to dream and dream big about what you want to achieve. Dream big about the life you want to lead and the difference you want to make in this world. Dream big about the person you want to be. Dream big because you might surprise yourself. Because until you do, you'll never know what you're capable of. Yes, failure is a possibility, but not the end of the world. You all would have heard the quote, thoughts are things. No words have been truer. If you have dreams, write them out in great detail and don't let people discourage you just because your dreams are big. Focus is everything. You will get more of what you focus. No matter what you focus on, you will get more of it. When professional race car drivers are taught about steering out of trouble, they are taught strongly about focus and where their eyes and head need to be looking, because that's where your car will be going. If you spin out of control and your focus is on the wall, worried and fearing, you will hit the wall. Why? Because you focused on it. Likewise, if you dream big, you need to be focused on those dreams. And if you don't give up, those dreams do come true because you focused on them. You steered towards them, even in the difficult times when it seemed difficult and almost impossible. Write down all the goals you want to achieve in your whole life. Stare at them and imagine them happening. It's also true that in order to realize your dreams, you need to improve yourselves. Self-improvement becomes more of a necessity and less of an option. Dreamers realize that they can't fulfill their dreams by doing the same things over and over again while expecting different results. But if you don't dream and you don't envision a better life for yourself, you would continue to be immersed in bad habits and situations that doesn't change. Of course, nothing worthwhile will ever come easy. It doesn't happen right away, nor is this an overnight process, and failures would also be a part of this journey. But with failure and pain comes understanding and growth. You begin to take notice of the things that you think, say, and do because your dreams are so important to you that you realize what you do on a daily basis matters to your overall trajectory in life. Everyone wants to win, but to truly succeed, whether it is at a sport, studies, or even career, you have to be willing to do the hard work, overcome the challenges, and make the sacrifices it takes to change that dream into a reality. As Walt Disney said, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them.